Everyone, I am Kamaljit Kaur and you are watching Literature Nexus. Today we will discuss the second chapter of 10th class of main course book. The second chapter is Where is Science Taking Us? So our first question is what is science doing with regard to non-material things? Option A something, option B less than nothing, option C everything, option D all of the above. So the answer is less than nothing. Next question. Question number second. Which of the following is not a non-material thing? Charity, tolerance, money, justice. So answer is money. Money is not a non-material thing. Question number 3. The machines gives us more hours of dash. Hard work, exercise, leisure, none of these. Option is C. Answer is C. Leisure. So the next question is 4 number. The machine is give us dash habits of mind. Spiritual, mechanical, psychological, none of these. Answer is mechanical. Our next question is in the busiest countries, each individual has dash human slaves in machines. Option A 400, option B 500, option C 600 and option D 700. Answer is option C 600. So our next question is name the two non-material things. Charity and money. Option B love and hatred. Option C justice and mercy. Option D understanding and dollars. Answer is justice and mercy. Question number 7. Which of the following statements is not true? Option A. This is the age of machine. Option B. To fly, it is not necessary to have wings. Option C. Modern drugs have decreased the average span of life. Option D. Science has given us power. Answer is option C. So our next question is what is the synonym of the word triumph? Triumph means jit. A. Victory. B. Defeat. C. Threat. D. Sadness. So answer is A. Victory. Victory is the meaning jit. Question number 10. Petrol machines provide dash more power than all human beings in the world. Option A 10 times, B 20 times, C 40 times, D 50 times. Answer is option A 10 times. Petrol machines are 10 times more powerful than human beings. So next question. Question number 11. The advances in science will dash the reasoning power of the human brain. Option A decrease, B increase, C nothing, D none of these. Answer is B increase. Next question. Question number 12. Dash are the non-material things. A. Charity. B. Mercy. C. Understanding. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Question number 13. What is declining in the modern world? ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਘਟਦੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਮਾਡਰਨ ਵਰਲਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ? Option A moral values, option B ethical values, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Answer is C. Question number 14. I wish I had another dash years. A 70, B 100, C 60, D none of these. Answer is option B 100 years. Next question. Question number 15. Science is creating problems then dash is the worst example. Happiness, love, war, none of these. Answer is war. Question number 16. What is the synonym of the word tolerance? Tolerance means सहनशीलता. A. Intolerance. B. Patience. C. Disapproval. D. Poverty. So synonym है patience. B option. 17 number question. War causes dash. A. Satisfaction. B. Death and destruction. C. Prosperity. D. None of these. So answer is death and destruction. Question number 18. What is really needed in the world today? A. Spiritual values. B. Moral values. C. Both A and B. D. Material things. So answer is C. Both A and B. Spiritual values and moral values. Question number 19. Life is becoming more and more dash due to the inventions of science. A. Interesting. B. Intriguing. C. Exciting. D. All of these. So answer is D. All of these. Question number 20. What is the antonym of the word power? Antonym is opposite word. Power, Shakti. A. Weakness. B. Ability. C. Capacity. D. Potential. Answer is A. Weakness. Question number 21. What is the greatest triumph of science? A. Provide food, clothing and shelter to all the people. B. War and destruction. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. So answer is A. 20, question number 22. Why does the author say that science is doing less than nothing? Option A. It is doing nothing for non-material things. It is doing nothing for material things. C. It is doing nothing for material and non-material things. D. It is doing a lot of for more non-material things. Answer is A. It is doing nothing for non-material things. Question number 23. What are machines doing for humans? A. Saving man's energy. B. Saving man's time. C. Saving man's time and energy. D. Saving man's house. So answer is saving man's time and energy. Question number 24. Why is the upper age group overcrowded today? Option A. Because the average life of humans has decreased. B. Because the average life of humans has not increased. C. Because the average life of humans has increased. D. Because the death rate of humans has increased. So answer is C. Because the average life of humans has increased. So these were the MCQs of the second chapter. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.